Hello friends, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, a series that we've developed to give you little quick tips and tricks, say that 3 times fast, in under 2 minutes that will help in your work with flowers. Are you put off by making bows? Are you one of those people that just thinks, oh, man, I can never do that? Frankly, my wife is the person who taught me to make bows years ago, and it really is not so hard. This first length that you leave is going to be the tail of the bow. You basically just kind of scrunch it up. There's not a real tried and true method for that. You're just going to scrunch that up, and then we're going to make the first loop out here, scrunch it up. We're going to come over to this side, make another loop, scrunch it up. You already see the beginnings of the bow, right? So I'm telling you, that's all you do. Loop, scrunch it up. Now I'm twisting this ribbon because sometimes ribbon has a good side and a bad side, and you always want to keep the good side out. This particular ribbon actually is double-faced satin, so I wouldn't have to be doing this. But between my thumb and my middle finger, I'm keeping those twists locked together so they're not going anywhere. And you just kind of push them in there, push them in on top of each other, and you can keep making loops and make this bow as big as you want. Then that's going to be the end of it. I'm going to cut this loop off, or I'm sorry, this streamer off to match the other one. And then I like using chenille stems or pipe cleaners to fasten ribbon because the little hairs that are on the wire keep the ribbon from slipping. So you just put that through there, give it a couple of good twists, and voila, you have a beautiful bow. It's not hard, people. You can do this. So I hope you enjoyed this tip and trick. We'll see you next time.